Alright, so last time I took the motor, put it on the stand, found something I didn't want to find, but you guys will see when I start taking it apart. I posted some pictures on Instagram on Black Mazda. If you already went on there, you probably already saw what's going on, but you guys stay tuned, watch the video, and you'll see what I found. Doesn't bother me too much, but it's to be expected when you building motors. See anything in the head, like nothing. Alright y'all, so I spun the motor over. I noticed this. Cylinder number 2, it's got a burnt rod cap and some plate. I spun this bearing before and I had this crank repolished and everything, ground down, hoping for the best. Went against what I wanted to do, but it is what it is. But I'm gonna take it out, see if it's got any material left from the bearing and go from there. But I got a motor in the backyard, no issues with it, ran just fine, drove almost an hour here with no issues, so it's just been sitting ever since. Take that bad boy apart, use that one, maybe using the pistons out of this, don't know until I take them completely out and check them, but you guys get to see me continue to take this apart. Get ready. guys think? Almost got it out. What you think the bearing will look like if it's still there? Comment below. Also, please guys, like, subscribe. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know what I should change, and go from there. So let me get better and put out the content you guys want to see. Separated, guys. So let's see. Ooh. Oh, pretty sure this rod is no es bueno. Oh yeah. It spun and spun again and spun again and spun. Oh crap. Look at that crank journal. So screwed up. Look at the bearing sitting right there. Let's see if I can take it out. Look at that. That bearing cooked. Ooh. Come on. I just need you to come out. Look at that. Crispy. Straight up cooked. Bearing straight up cooked. Well guys, if you could see me, I go to the light so you guys can see me. It's a little dark over here. Put these bolts back. Alright guys, so you saw what I saw. The bearing spun, they was cooked on top of each other. It is what it is. I'm not mad. Like I said, it spun a bearing on that journal before. It's horrible. The mains got all screwed up, but it is what it is. But next video, I'll be taking the rest of it apart, inspecting this pistons, go from there, and from there you guys will see me pull any other motor out of the other car. It's already partially out. It's actually sitting on the ground. I just gotta release one motor mount and pull it out. But until next video, thank you again. Like I said, like, subscribe, let me know what I'm doing good, let me know what I'm doing wrong. Hey, it is what it is. But till next time.